Alright guys, I'll keep it short. I was not planning on making a video, nor was I planning to ever stream this game, but I gave it a shot and I had some time. I knew it wouldn't be long enough for a stream, so I did it on my own, and it was actually really good. So I retroactively started to save the 5-minute buffer so I can put together a quick video of my first game. I don't know if I was playing against players or bots. They were pretty bad, and they all had the same name, Lancer 12345. It's possible that the game is shielding names for whatever reason, but because of how bad they were, I'm going to say they were bots, so it's not a big deal that I killed 30-something people. This was probably a really easy bot game. But besides that, the point of the video is that this might be a really good Apex alternative. It's got double jumping, wall running, it's got grapples, it got mechs. If they make this game big, if it gets the popularity it needs, there's a good chance that this will outrank games like Overwatch, like Apex, and we might not have just a 6v6 team deathmatch. We might have other modes. I did see something in the trailer, something that looked like capture the flag or soccer, where you threw something somewhere and something happened and you got a point. If they implement these extra modes, this could be a lot of fun. I believe the team behind it is the one behind Splitgate. And you know, the thing is, maybe this will have a battle royale mode and it will steal all the players from Apex. The movement is absolutely amazing, and that's probably one of the main things that kept me hooked on Apex. So if this is that game, then let it be. Anyways, enjoy the video. I'm gonna stop talking. There's no more commentary, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video one day. Adios.
Kill streak. Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Mech spawn. Double kill. Team kill streak. Triple kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. 20 kill streak. Double kill. Triple kill. Double kill. 13 kill streak. Five kills remaining. Five minutes remaining. 3 kills remaining. Mech inbound. Double kill. Mission complete. All enemy threats have been eliminated.